Hello, and welcome to English Lexicon Hub, the English story for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Jessika, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally. Listen the story. Try to understand the story.
Good morning, my love, Eileen said cheerfully. It is time to rise and shine. Sam squinted at the ceiling lamp. But the lamp is not rising, he said. Eileen giggled and patted his arm. No, silly, it means wake up and be happy. Sam yawned very widely. My happiness is still sleeping, he declared. In the kitchen, Eileen pointed at the clock. We must hurry or we will miss the bus. Sam looked down at his piece of toast. But I have not kissed the bus, he said with a frown. You don't kiss it, you miss it, she explained. It means we will be too late for it. Sam puffed out his chest proudly. The bus must wait for me. I am very important. They ran to the bus stop just as the bus was arriving. See, we had to run to catch it, Eileen panted. Sam looked down at the big red bus with confusion. Why must I catch it? Does it have a cold? Eileen sighed a very long sigh. Catch the bus just means to get on the bus. Ah, I understand, he said, stepping towards the door. I will get on the cold. On the bus, an elderly woman stood nearby. Sam, you should give her your seat, Eileen prompted. He stood up and tried to lift the seat cushion. Here you go, he said, offering it to the woman. He quickly pulled him back down by his jacket. No, let her sit in your place, she whispered. He looked at the woman and then at the empty seat. My place has my special smell, he told the woman. They arrived at the busy train station. Okay, we need to take that train, she said, pointing. Sam stared at the long, heavy train. I cannot take it. It is much too big for me. She put her face in her hands for a moment. It means to ride on the train, my love. His face lit up with understanding. Ah, like a horse cowboy, he said, and pretended to ride a horse. A conductor walked through their train car. Tickets, please, the conductor called out. Eileen gave him their tickets and he stamped them. Thank you, you're all set, the conductor said. Sam looked at Eileen, then back at the conductor.
But we are not a set. We are only two people. Eileen smiled warmly at the conductor. He is learning. It means we are ready to go. Jem beamed with pride. Yes, I am learning. This English is a piece of cake. He then looked at Eileen and asked, Where is the cake?